In this video we're gonna be replacing headlight bulbs on 2002 Lexus ES300. On a Sylvania website it shows that those vehicles can be equipped with either HID bulbs or halogen. Initially I thought it had halogen just because I didn't see anything that would show it's HID, but when I saw the vehicle in person, the light output looked like HID. And after removing one cover, I saw that it is in fact HID bulb. So here is video of me removing the cover. It's gonna be really tough to get a good angle, but I'll do my best. So light is located right there. Has a big plastic cover cap. It's kind of tough to reach, but have to twist it counterclockwise. And it looks like what we need to do is first is remove this connector. It is pretty tough to remove it. Finally. So I moved it counterclockwise just a bit. I think now I can pull it out. And now I will continue. I decided to go with aftermarket bulbs that are on Amazon. I believe those were about $30. The size you need for Lexus ES300 is D2R. And I personally like 6000K light output. So what we're gonna do now is turn this piece, the metal that says lock on it. Yeah, turn it counterclockwise just a little bit. Now we should be able to remove it. So the cover is out. Now there's a metal bracket holder, whatever you want to call it. We have to lower it. And what's interesting is this vehicle was wrecked before. Has some stuff missing. So I'll try to access here just so that from here you can see. Hopefully you'll be able to see at least some of it. So I lowered it. Now I should be able to take out the bulb with no issues. And it's definitely bad. It was actually pretty easy to reach it that way. So at least on this side, that might be a good way to get to it, instead of trying to do it from here. But now that I know how the bracket comes down, it'll be a lot easier to do it on the other side as well. Here's a new one. Gonna push it in. Okay, I think I got it. That was definitely tough, but that's how you have to align it. Now I'm gonna put in those brackets. Now I'm gonna put this first cover on and turn it clockwise. Just twist it and it should lock, but you gotta twist it clockwise. Okay, it's locked. Now I'm gonna put this cover back on, the plastic one. I'm gonna plug this in and put it on. Now I'll check the lights. Alright, now let's work on this one. It's working, but just because I replaced that one, tough to say if they have exact same output. So I'll keep that one as a spare and I'll use new one there. Now to get to this one, I'm gonna actually remove the battery. Size 10. That definitely gonna help. Same thing, gonna remove this connector. This cover, plastic cover, gonna move counterclockwise, just one twist. And it's out. Now we're gonna twist this cover counterclockwise and take it out. Now bracket on the top. On two sides I'm gonna push it in and then outward from the bulb. That's one, that's second one. So now it's lowered and I can just pull out the bulb. Looks like the way those bulbs go is this piece, the bottom blue one, is at the bottom of the housing. So let's install. Think it's in. Sucks that you can't really see it, but it's in. While I'm holding it, gonna try to install those brackets. I think it's in. I'll double check. Yeah, it's secured. I wish I could get a better angle, but it's impossible. So now that it's in, I'm gonna connect this metal cover. Not cover really, it's more connector than anything else. Locked. Now this plastic cover. And finally connect this one. Put battery back on. Now I'm gonna use battery protectant and cleaner. Everything done. Let's double check. Looks nice. I'm really disappointed the way the angles, the shots of the video. It was very tough to get there. I'll show you again how to remove the bulb. So it's gonna be like this. The bracket goes around it. Pretty much it goes like this. And to remove the bracket, on two sides you push in and outward. Done at one, then go to next one, push in and out. Then the bracket gonna lower down. When you install new one, this piece should be at the bottom. So it's gonna go like this. And to install the bracket, you lift it up. And same thing, you push from outward, push it in, and then inside. Same thing with this one. From outward, you push it in and then inside. Then when you push the metal cover connector back on, it has to align with those 2 points. So you push it in, it's aligned, and then you turn it clockwise. So, like I said, one of the bulbs was still good, so I'll give it to the owner. They could keep it and use it just in case just one of them fails. I'll provide Amazon affiliate link for those bulbs. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.